What's up guys, Senjo here. Welcome to my channel, Texo Academy. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by to check out my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real VIP. Thank you so much for checking out my videos again and again. In this channel, we make videos on all things make money online and entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, kindly smash the subscribe button just below this video. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we make an amazing video just like this one. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about creating and verifying a Payoneer account. Just as we all know, PayPal is the usual worldwide accepted payment system, but right now PayPal is Nigeria is kind of limited in creating and verifying a PayPal account. So we found an alternative, which is a company known as Payoneer, and I'm going to be showing you right here, right in this video, how to create and verify a Payoneer account so you can be able to have a USD account, a Canadian dollar account, a Australian dollar account, a Euro account that you can receive payment all over the world. All you just need to do is to forward your payment details right from your Payoneer account to your clients, and you'll be able to receive your money. All right, and from there you can be able to transfer it to your local bank account without stress. All right, so if that interests you, kindly smash that like button to this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any question of any kind during the course of this video, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be right there to attend to them all right. Welcome back guys. So we are going to go straight into what we have by creating and verifying our Payoneer account. So I'm going to show you that in a step-by-step guide right in this video. Okay, so if you love the content, don't forget to smash that like button. All right, so to avoid going into the wrong website, kindly use my referral link just below this video in the description of this video. The good thing about this is when you use this referral link, you're going to make some dollars, which we're going to see once we head over to the official website of Payoneer. All right, so right under the description of this video, I've attached my referral link, so do well to use that. So just click on it. All right, and it's going to direct you to the official homepage of Payoneer. All right, so here we go. All right, now if you sign up with this link, you are going to earn $25. Okay, that's a welcome bonus for creating a Payoneer account. So go ahead and use the link in the description of this video so you can be able to earn $25. All right, so go ahead and click on sign up and earn $25. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to choose who you are, so they'll be able to give you the right account for you. All right, so if you're a freelancer, do it to choose the first one. If you're an online seller, you can do it to choose the second one. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can do it to choose this. If you're just an individual, all right, you can go ahead and choose the fourth option. But in my case, I'm going to be, because I actually want to use this Payoneer account for KDP. all right, so and KDP is all about book selling. All right, either paperback or ebooks. All right, I'm a writer, so in that case I'm a freelancer. Okay, so get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces, so I'm going to select that. All right, so then I click on register. Okay, but to avoid thinking much about this, just select individual and you're good to go, because you're still going to select that when you come to this page. All right, so here we go. So make sure you leave this at individual, so you fill in your name. I already have a Payoneer account, but I just want to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So I'm just going to be creating a fictitious account. Okay, it's not going to be a real account, but I'm just doing this to show you the step-by-step guide. All right, I hope you understand that. Okay, so in this case now I'm going to create an account for Texo Academy. So the surname of Texo Academy is Academy. All right. Okay, so I'm going to use texoacademy@gmail.com. That's our email address @gmail.com. So I'm going to scroll down and click on register. So once you're done filling in your details right here, okay, they said I have to be 18 years and above. Oh, Texo is not yet 18 years. Okay, so I have to just, like, we are creating a fictitious account, so we are just going to make sure this aligns well. So I do the captcha again. Alright, so that's it, and right here I'm going to select my country, which is Nigeria. So if you are a non-Nigerian watching this video right now, you can do it to choose your country. Okay, the street number. Okay, so for the postal code, make sure you search on Google on how to find your postal code. Okay, so in this case now I'm using a Wuse2 address. So what do? I copy the Wuse2 and I go over to Google. I'll type Wuse2 postal code so I can be able to see that, and here we go. All right, it's as simple as that. So I'm going to use that postal code right here. Okay, so you go ahead and add your mobile phone number. All right, so a code is going to be sent to this phone number. Okay, I just got the code, so I'm going to enter it right now. Okay, so we click on next. Okay, so on the third page now we're going to select our username. Okay, so our username is same as our email address, so we select a password. Okay, so as you can see, I already have an account on Payoneer, so I'm just going to use the password for this is going to be just a random figure. Okay, we re-enter the password. So we choose a security question here. When is your parents' wedding anniversary? When is your first elementary? The street you grew up. So the answer will be I grew up online. Okay, yeah, because Texo grew up online. All right, don't mind me. Okay, so just go ahead and select whichever that pleases you and then answer it. The good thing about this is whenever you have an issue about your account, you can actually use this to recover your account. Okay, so you can go ahead to use your driver's license or your national ID card, whichever one that pleases you. Do it to use that. So I'm going to use a random figure here. Okay, so you enter the captcha. Please do it not to use a random figure when creating your own account. Do it to fill in the right information. So I'm not going to use this account for anything. I'm just trying to use it to show you guys how to create and verify your accounts. Okay, so all of this here, you can let it be that way. So you can enter in your bank accounts. All right, so let's say I use Access Bank. So I enter in the account number here. So you do it to enter your account number here. Okay, so you click on agreed, then you submit. All right, so congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. All right, So the review is in process. So that's how you can create your Payoneer account. So it takes a little while, and this account is going to be verified by Payoneer. Okay, let me quickly log into the account to show us the dashboard, how it looks like, and a few little tips before we move on. Okay, this is more like a 2FA, so you can do it to set that up for yourself. So I'm not going to save this right now because I already have a Payoneer account. Okay, so this is how your homepage is going to look like. So it says welcome back Texo. So update your security settings, so we can go ahead to update that so our account can be fully functional. So what street did it grow up? And Texo grew up online. In which city did you get married? So let's use Abuja. So what town was your father born in? Let's use Texas. My dad wasn't born in Texas. I'm just using anything. So you can just choose any of these questions and give them the right answers. The good thing about it is whenever you have an issue with your account, you can use this to recover your account. Okay, so do well to select what you know and enter it right there. So they've sent a code to our email address, so I'm going to go ahead and check the email address and copy the code and paste it right there. All right, security check. Okay, in order not to waste our time, I'm going to use my mobile to just copy the code. Okay, so the code just landed my email address right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put the code right here. 419756. So I submit. Okay, so we are done. All right, so we've updated this, so let's go. Perfect, guys, perfect. So this is how to create your Payoneer account. All right, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to create your USD account, your dollar, your Australian dollar account, your euro account. I'm going to be showing you all of those things in my next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you love the content we share, kindly smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you right in my next video. Cheers.